Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to access your YouTube Studio settings on a computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, a YouTube account. So we can now go all the way down to the dock, go to the web browser, which is Safari in this case, go to YouTube Studio. We have a shortcut on the toolbar, or we can physically search and then click. Make sure you're signed into the account, and now go to the left hand side navigation bar, bottom left corner where it says settings. Click on this, and now we are on the settings. Go to general, currency, channel, basic information, advanced settings, branding, upload defaults, advanced settings, community, automated filters, defaults. We can change all of this, but that is for another video in the future. Stay tuned for that. Go to cancel, quit Safari. That's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now.